In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. We're going to quickly navigate from the Squarespace website to a specific Help Center article called Using Google Workspace with Squarespace. This is perfect if you're setting up professional email for your site or just need an authoritative reference straight from Squarespace support. Start by opening a fresh browser tab and going to the Squarespace Create Your Website page. If you land on a different Squarespace page, that's totally fine. Any main Squarespace page will work. What matters is that you're on the Squarespace site so you can use the main navigation. For the smoothest experience, I recommend using a desktop browser because the menus are easier to see. If you get a cookie banner or a pop-up, dismiss it so you can view the full header. At the top of the page, look for the Resources option in the main navigation. If you're on a smaller screen, it might be tucked behind a menu icon. Open the menu, and you should see Resources listed there. Click Resources to open Squarespace's Learning and Support options. This is where you'll find guides, webinars, and most importantly for today, access to the Help Center. Next, select Help Center. That will take you to support.squarespace.com, which is Squarespace's official knowledge base. I recommend bookmarking this page if you'll be working on your site regularly. It's the fastest way to get trustworthy instructions, troubleshooting steps, and policy details. Once you're in the Help Center, use the search bar at the top and type the phrase, Using Google Workspace with Squarespace. Type it just like that to surface the exact article we want. As you type, you'll likely see it appear as a suggested result. If suggestions appear, you can click it right away. Otherwise, press Enter to see the full search results. In the results, click the article titled Using Google Workspace with Squarespace. This article is a comprehensive hub for anything related to connecting or managing Google Workspace through Squarespace. Inside, you'll find clear explanations of how Google Workspace integrates with your site, best practices for setting up and managing mailboxes, common DNS and MX record considerations, and links to billing and support information. It's the definitive starting point when you want email at your custom domain and need guidance that aligns with Squarespace's tools. And that's it. You've gone from the Squarespace homepage to the exact Help Center article you need using an efficient, repeatable path. If the site design changes in the future, the same keywords in the Help Center search will still get you there fast. Thanks for watching, and happy building.